How to buy ClawFarm token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or community expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rubles on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screen here. It's created 5 hours ago and increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. This token created under the business network. And now to people to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token and open your Bitget wallet for that. Now, of course, your wallet to be able to add this token to your wallet. Now, from the top right corner, what you need to do is just click here and make sure to select the business network. After that, click on this plus icon, and now you can paste token as in the search bar. As you can see, this also open. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now after that, go back to your wallet to be able to find your token that you just added. Now click on this search icon, and you can now type the token name. It's called ClawFarm, as you can see. So this is it. Now click on it. After that, click here on swap. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see next to it. After that, click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy ClawFarm token. And if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.